Lost your original video file? Don't panic, you can actually download your exact video file straight from your creator dashboard. No Sketchy links, no external software, no external website, just a native YouTube tool. So here is how to download your own videos on YouTube. So for this you have to go to YouTube Studio. On the computer, press on your profile icon, then select YouTube Studio, and from here you have to select content on the left. And now if you want to download videos, you have to select videos from the top, or if you want to download shorts, you have to select shorts. Find and locate the video which you want to download. As an example, let's say this is the video which I want to download. You will find three dots right here. Let's press on this, and now you can select download. And in this way, my video is being downloaded right now. I will show you how to do the same exact thing, but on your phone. On your mobile phone, you must have the YouTube Studio application. If you have it, press on it, and now you have to go to content down below. And now we have to select if either it's a video or a short. I will select videos, and now find the video which you want to download. Let's say this one from the top, and now in the same exact way press on the three dots. This menu will pop up and you can find down below save to device. So that's how to download your own videos from YouTube. I hope this tutorial helps, and thanks a lot for watching.